So they asked to find the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. First you are going to find with respect to x, so dou f by dou x. And doing a partial derivative, we can consider this area only. Here it seems to be a multiple of two variable x and y, but in our ordinary differential calculus we are using as a UV method. When you come to the partial derivative with respect to f by dou x, then x is a variable, y become a constant term. So for example, you are going differentiating here, 3 is a coefficient. Ordinary differentiative of x squared is 2x, that we can write. Then minus, here we have a 2 into xy. So ordinary when you are doing differential calculus using as a UV method, but you don't follow the UV method because here minus 2 and y become a coefficient of x. So x with respect to x when differentiating, the value become a 1. Now y squared here only the y squared, so it become a 0. But there also y is there, but the y become a coefficient of x. The 2y, the minus 2y become a coefficient of x. So when differentiate of x become a 1, then we can write coefficient minus 2y here. But here we have only the y square term. So when differentiating y square, it become a 0. Then we have plus 5x. So x with respect to x 1. Then 2 is a constant term. When differentiate with respect to x, it become a 0. Finally we have dou f by dou x equal to 6x minus 2y plus 5. We asked to find the value at 2 comma minus 5. So in this place, instead of x substitute 2 and instead of y substitute minus 5. So 6 into 2 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 5. Then we have a 12 plus 10 plus 5. So minus into minus plus, 2 ways are 10, 12, 22, 27. That value is 27. Like that we are going to find now dou f by dou y. Now with respect to y. So here 3x squared. Here we have only the x term. So x term become constant. Now y become a variable. Now when differentiating 3x squared, it become a 0. Minus. Now y is a variable. Minus 2x become a coefficient of y. So minus 2 into x. Y with respect to y when differentiating, it become a 1. Now again y squared become a 2y. Now 5x is a constant term. There is no y term. So automatically when differentiate of 5x, it become a 0. And differentiate of 2 also become a 0. So finally we have dou f by dou y equal to minus 2x plus 2y. Now you go and find the value at 2 comma minus 5. Now dou f by dou y equal to, instead of x substitute 2 and plus 2 into 2 minus 5. Then minus 4 and minus 10, it become minus 14. So with respect to y, the value is minus 14. With respect to x, that value is 27.